Algorand value equivalent to 2.0356 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.00011 2.0902. The earlier day close, 2.0360. The change was 0.0004. 0.02%. Converse rate, ZAR to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, July 20. Cost 1.91 rands, high 2.04, low 1.78. Algorand figure on Friday, July 21. Cost 1.98 rands, high 2.12, low 1.84. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 24. Cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Algorand figure on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Algorand figure on Thursday, July 27. Cost 2.07 rands, high 2.21, low 1.93. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, July 28. Cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. Algorand figure on Monday, July 31. Cost 1.96 rands, high 2.10, low 1.82. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 1.98 rands, high 2.12, low 1.84. Celsius Organization Value Forecast 2023, 2024 to 2027. Bitcoin cost in United States dollars forecast. In about 14 days Algorand estimate on Wednesday, August 2. Cost 1.97 rands, high 2.11, low 1.83. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, August 3. Cost 1.94 rands, high 2.08, low 1.80. Algorand estimate on Friday, August 4. Cost 1.93 rands, high 2.07, low 1.79. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, August 7. Cost 1.82 rands, high 1.95, low 1.69. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 1.76 rands, high 1.88, low 1.64. In 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 1.72 rands, high 1.84, low 1.60. Algorand estimate on Thursday, August 10. Cost 1.77 rands, high 1.89, low 1.65. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, August 11. Cost 1.70 rands, high 1.82, low 1.58. Algorand gauge on Monday, August 14. Cost 1.80 rands, high 1.93, low 1.67. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 1.85 rands, high 1.98, low 1.72. In about a month Algorand gauge on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 1.86 rands, high 1.99, low 1.73. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, August 17. Cost 1.75 rands, high 1.87, low 1.63. Algorand gauge on Friday, August 18. Cost 1.72 rands, high 1.84, low 1.60. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for July 2023. To start with cost at 2.29 rands, exorbitant cost 2.50, while low cost 1.70. Found the middle value of cost 2.11. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.96, change for July 14.4%. Algorand conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 1.96 rands, excessive cost 2.12, while low cost 1.51. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.87. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.89, change for August 3.6%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 1.89 rands, excessive cost 1.89, while low cost 1.48. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.71. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.59, change for September 15.9%. Algorand conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.59 rands, excessive cost 1.59. While low cost 1.31, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.48. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.41, change for October 11.3%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.41 rands, excessive cost 1.41. While low cost 1.10, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.28. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.18. Change for November 16.3%. Algorand figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 1.18 rands, excessive cost 1.18, while low cost 0.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.10. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.06. Change for December 10.2%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 1.06 rands, excessive cost 1.21. While low cost 1.05, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.11. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.13, change for January 6.6%. Algorand figure for February 2024, initially cost at 1.13 rands, excessive cost 1.40. While low cost 1.13, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.24. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.31. Change for February 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 1.31 rands, excessive cost 1.42. While low cost 1.24, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.33. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.33. Change for spring 1.5%. Algorand conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at 1.33 rands, excessive cost 1.44. While low cost 1.26, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.35. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.35, change for April 1.5%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.35 rands, exorbitant cost 1.49. While low cost 1.29, the found the middle value of cost 1.38. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.39, change for May 3.0%. Algorand estimate for June 2024. To start with cost at 1.39 rands, exorbitant cost 1.72. While low cost 1.39, the found the middle value of cost 1.53. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.61. Change for June 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 1.61 rands, excessive cost 1.61, while low cost 1.32.